Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a Drive Shield certified 2016 Toyota RAV4 SE all-wheel drive. Let's take a look and see what this vehicle has to offer. This vehicle has power windows, mirrors, and locks. It also has a full leather interior, power seating, a sunroof up top, and comfortably seats 5 passengers. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It also has AM, FM, and XM radio stations, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth audio, a rear view camera, dual climate control, heated seating, and many more great features.